autonomous. The crucial start came in January this year when Airbus started testing new technologies to enhance pilot assistance on ground and in flight. These tests were conducted by Airbus Up Next, a subsidiary of Airbus, on the Airbus A-1000 aircraft. These tests were known as the Project Dragonfly or the Dragonfly project. In these tests, the main areas where automation were demonstrated are automated emergency diversion during cruise, which means an aircraft that is at a cruising altitude at cruising speed can automatically divert its path if it detects any anomalies in its flight path without any physical inputs from the pilots. Automatic landings. For an aircraft, landing is the most trivial part of flying, as there are many factors that are at play during landing, like weather, visibility, crosswinds, rain, the conditions of the runway, as it could be wet causing aquaplaning, the weight of the aircraft, and the amount of fuel it carries. Automation during landings would be a game changer, as during emergencies or if the pilot is incapacitated, these technologies could save lives. For example, during heavy fog, rain, or crosswinds, artificial intelligence could play an important role of taking over and assisting pilots during landings. Taxi assistance. Taxiing is yet another big factor in aviation, as during peak hours at a busy airport, there are so many flights that are coming in and taking off at the same time from different runways. Many of the aircrafts are taxiing to ramps or waiting in line for takeoffs. At the same time, most of the aircrafts are being refueled. This is quite dangerous, and a small mistake can cause a disaster. And it is during this time AI can assist the pilots in charting the right route in coordination with the ATC and scan the surroundings, calculate the time taken, and arrive at the right aerobridge, thereby totally reducing errors and reducing time. These technologies aim at further exploring autonomous flight systems to make a much safer and efficient flight operation. These technological advancements are inspired by biomimicry. Biomimicry is a practice that learns from and mimics the strategies found in nature to solve human design challenges. The systems being tested by Airbus have been designed to identify features in the landscape. These features will enable the aircraft to see and safely maneuver autonomously within its surroundings. In the same way, a Dragonfly has the ability to recognize landmarks and its surroundings. During this extensive flight testing, these AI technologies were able to assist pilots in flight and managing a simulated incapacitated crew member and taking over in case of emergency during landings and taxiing operations. Taking into account external factors such as flight zones, the terrain, and weather conditions, the aircraft was able to generate a new flight trajectory plan and communicate with both ATC and the Airline Operations Control Center. Airbus Up Next has also explored features for taxi assistance which were tested in real-time conditions in the Toulouse-Blagnac airport. The technology provides the crew with audio alerts in reaction to obstacles and assists in speed control and guidance to runway using a dedicated airport map. Airbus Up Next is also launching a project to prepare the next generation of computer vision based algorithms to advance landing and taxiing assistance. This innovative technology combined with artificial intelligence will be a decisive step in the aviation industry. But at the same time, the human element of aviation for the pilots, it would mean a transition to the era of artificial intelligence. This would be a phenomenal move and its impact would be unprecedented. I feel that a planned and coordinated venture would be a viable option where codependence would be valued without entirely shifting to artificial intelligence based technology. It should be used to a certain percentage which would keep everything at equilibrium. With this thought, I wrap up this video. Until next time, keep exploring and learning. Thank you.